So now let's see how we can work around with video markers inside of Blender. So in order to work around with video markers, you can see that I already have a video clip over here on my timeline. And sometimes what you might want to do is add in markers so that you remember to do things later on when you're editing some like let's say next day or so forth. So in order to do that, place the cursor over here where you want to place the marker in, and then go to marker. So once you go to marker, you can see add marker is an option and the shortcut key for it is M. So if you were to click on add marker, then this is what you have, as you can see. So there's a marker right here. You want to add another marker, then go around over here onto the side, click on marker, click on add marker, and then you have another marker, as you can see. You can go around, go to marker, add marker, and this is what you have. If you want to duplicate out the same marker, then you can select out the marker that you want to duplicate and then go to marker right here, and then you can click on duplicate marker. So once you do that, you can see that the marker is here. Just move the mouse, click, and you can see that the same marker is there. You can simply go around and delete out a marker. So select out a marker you want to delete, and then go to marker, delete marker, and you can delete off marker. So you can see that there's the marker. I can click and drag to move this around, or I can go to marker and click on move marker, and it allows me to move the marker over here as well. So if I were to go around over here, I can rename this out. So this makes much more sense when using a marker. Let's say, for example, change color correction. So if I were to do something like this, press OK. Now you know that in this section of the video, you need to change the color section right here. You can also go around and jump next to the marker right here so that it jumps straight on to the marker, as you can see right here. And you can jump to the previous marker so that the timeline, the time cursor moves directly to the marker, just like that. And that is how you can work around with video markers inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.